camouflage. They've got these stickers all over them so that you cannot recognize what the model looks like, the frame, the panels are all like. There's about 5 of them, and they're doing tests on the freeways. Yeah, you read about that kind of thing in the motoring magazines. Ah well, we're on our way to Torino, then Como. After the excitement of the 5 Mercs, I reckon there are at least 7 series, I reckon. They're pretty big cars, the 5 series. Yep, we got some castle perched right up there on the mountain there, the ridge. Oh, it's pretty. I can't go looking at everything. Huh? We're going up some super narrow laneway trying to find how to get to the hotel. I don't know where we're going. Penso sì. Now we're going to do a 3-pointer of sorts.
A 6-pointer.
A 6-pointer maybe.
We'll see how many it takes.
Not bad. It's pretty good. I better keep my arms inside. Well, if it's one way, if we hurry up, we might be anybody coming up this way. Frickin' hell. Look at this. And Como. Oops. Comes that lady again. There's a super fat cat right there. And we're holed up here in Como, in this supposedly a chalet. The rooms look a bit daggy, but I can tell you the kitchen looks pretty homely. There are quite a lot of old folks over there, old folks' homes. Looking forward to a nice meal here. And we'll get the name of the place. I can smell perfume, so there's a lady in there somewhere. Cafe Restaurant Pizzeria del Tiglio. It's got a bit of a, I don't know, terrace there, but as you can see, bit of a outdoor eating area. Second court, pretty spiffy. How'd you like to live up there? That'll cost a pack. We're having to wait a little while before we can get our rooms. That's the old folks' home overlooking the Lago del Como. Wow. And over there we've got a pretty old rusticy looking building. Train. I don't know if you're going to pick that up. But yeah, wow. The cathedral area down there looks pretty spiffy.